Welcome my people. This na Pidgin Chemistry with Oga Ben. Na here Wey Chemistry clear like ice water. My name na Oga Ben, your paddy and personal person wey go teach you chemistry, make you sef fit understand am, teach others with confidence. I no be professor, but I fit teach you make you understand. Many people dey run from science class, especially chemistry. E dey be dem like say na ghost dem see once dem chemistry teacher enter class. Na so dem go squeeze face, begin dey scrub leg for ground. I no blame dem because chemistry teachers and grammar be like akara and bread. Na so postulate, propose, formulate, you go dey hear for class. E go come be you like say something wey easy to understand go come hard because of the way dem dey carry talk am. So for this class, we come ban grammar. Say for this class we no go speak grammar, na pidgin English we go dey use, and this one go help you so that you no go dey fear chemistry again. You go fit pass your exam well, you go fit relate chemistry to other people, and then you go see say chemistry dey all around you. For this class, we go learn as chemistry take simple like ABC. We go mellow all those topics wey don touch you hand. We go touch WAEC, NECO and JAMB questions, so you go get muscle chest all these exams. We go tori, we go laugh, we go gist, we go talk about new updates dem for science, and we go show you how chemistry wey you dey see for book fit help you for real life. You fit don dey ask, Oga Ben, how we go run this class now? Na my voice you go dey hear o, you no go see my face, and this funny cartoon dem na we go dey use. See, na free class o, and na online. You no go need pay money come my side, or you no go need pay money for extra thing for here. All the things wey you dey see around you, na we go take explain chemistry. We go give small assignment dem when class end, so that the thing go master you. Then when the week end, we go take test. If we see sponsor sef, anybody wey pass the test fit win something, but I no promise you this one o. So wetin you go do now na to subscribe, follow us, like our page dem for Facebook, YouTube and TikTok. The name na Pidgin Chemistry with Oga Ben. Tell your friends about us. Tell your children wey dey take exam about us. Tell your family members wey wan write exam about us. Tell the people wey wan learn anything important about chemistry about us. In fact, tell even those art students wey dey run from chemistry. E get something wey we go tell them for here. On your notification so that you no go miss any class, make principal no go punish you. Na here Wey Chemistry clear like ice water.